Welcome to Site Tech Intermountain training videos. I wanted to show you how you could access your R750 base through a QR code that comes up on the screen, and you can access it with your phone. There's a lot of things you can do from the faceplate or even just setting it with the data collector, but if there's any reason or need to get into it with your phone to set any settings or get into a little bit more in-depth, you can go ahead and use the QR code. Now, as your screens go dim like that, all you got to do is just hit your power button to lighten it back up. And all you need to do to get the QR code to come up is hit the escape button once. As soon as you hit that, the QR code comes up. Then you can go ahead and use your phone. As soon as you go ahead and get the QR code to come up, it's going to do this join network, which is the last four of the serial number, which is 5538. I'm going to go ahead and join that. This main web page is going to come up, and there is the actual, if you need to actually type it in, if this screen doesn't come up because it's a newer version, you can see at the top there it's 192.168.142.1. You could just go to a web browser and actually open it that way. But if this page comes up, hit the open web interface, open it in Safari, and right here it's going to give you an option to come in and actually set the username or password. If this is the first time you've been into it, your username is going to be lowercase admin, A-B-M-I-N, and then for the password it's going to be lowercase password, P-A-S-S-O-W-O-R-D. If you need to change the password for one that you already have, you can go into the security settings right here and go to change password and actually put in what you had in there, which is lowercase admin. Ours was Intermountain 1. If you needed to change it, you can actually change that right here and then hit the update button. This is a lot like your GPS R780 if you've ever been in that, where you can go in here and you can see a little bit more in here than you would from the faceplate on the base. You can change the radio settings right here. If you go into the radio and go to radio configuration, we can set it from a different channel. So right now it's on 9. We could put this on 11 right there. Make sure that most of the settings that you change in here, you always hit the OK or save button after you actually change it. You can't just type it in and go out of that screen or it won't actually save it. Change in progress. So there we go, we're on that one. And you've got your receiver configuration. So in here you could go in and actually do the position monitoring, and you could check your general settings and actually see if the auto base is set. So right now auto base is disabled. I can go ahead and put that to enable warning, and there again at the very bottom make sure you hit OK to actually set those settings. So hopefully this video helps to understand how to quickly get into your R750 with your phone through the QR code. Thanks for watching this video from Site Tech Intermountain.